Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dispenser cover in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the cover is broken or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So right up in here, we've got our dispenser cover, and so you see our regular 1/4" nut driver doesn't fit in there, while the other one, the 10-in-1 screwdriver with just no tip, fits in there, and you can screw everything in, and you can either screw it or unscrew it just fine with that. And as you take the second one out, you might want to just hold the cover up in place, because there's nothing else that'll hold it in place as you remove that screw. And once the screw's out, you can let that slide out as well. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement dispenser cover, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put the dispenser cover in, and the proper way is going to be with these holes facing down. That's where the screws go in, and these parts are going to go up and line up with the screw holes up in there. And then we'll just get a screw started by hand real quick. Got something to hold this into place. There we go. And once you've finished tightening those screws up, your repair is complete. Is your refrigerator running? If you answered no, maybe you can use some of our videos to get it running again. If you answered yes, well then you better go catch it. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.